Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Set a basin with warm water at about 37-40 degrees C and add any salt or soak from the Meesho Kit. You sanitize tools with 70% alcohol. This prevents infection and keeps results clean. While your feet soak for 10 to 15 minutes, trim nails straight across to avoid ingrown nails. Once soaked, gently use the scrub in the kit to loosen dead skin. Make sure to pat dry, leaving skin slightly damp for the next step. Now move into the detailed work. Start with the pumice or foot file included, working in one direction to avoid tearing sensitive skin. Focus on heels and balls of the feet. Once calluses are smoothed, gently push back cuticles using the cuticle pusher. Trim only visible dead skin so you don't nick live tissue. After shaping and buffing nails for smoothness, apply the base coat from the Meesho Kit. Let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes before color. Finish strong. Apply 2 thin, even coats of polish from the kit, waiting 2 to 3 minutes between coats so each layer cures properly. After color, seal with the top coat to lock and shine and prevent chipping. Allow full drying for 10 to 15 minutes or use quick-dry drops if you're short on time. If a nail chips, don't panic. File the edge smooth, clean with alcohol, and reapply a thin color layer and top coat to blend. This fixes most small errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.